Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Annie Sweet Home Treats guys. In today's video we'll be making sesame bread. You all know sesame seed, so these are all the ingredients we'll be using for the bread guys. Let's get started. At this point you go in with your warm milk, warm water, sugar, yeast. You mix together. Cover for at least 5 minutes guys. Here it goes after 5 minutes. Wow, this look nice guys. Go in with your egg, combine together. Go in with your flour, your salt, mix together guys. If today is your first day of seeing my video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, comment guys, share to your loved ones. Thank you so much. God bless you all. To all my subscribers, I want to say thank you. My new subscribers and my old subscribers, of course, thank you so much guys. God bless you all. So guys, you mix until it forms a dough. Here it goes. You cover again for at least 10 to 15 minutes for it to have a good rest. This is after 15 minutes guys. Wow, flour your surface, divide into two. You can divide it to how many pieces that you want. Sprinkle some flour because it's so soft. Sprinkle some flour on it so it will be easy for you to roll, and make sure you roll very flat. Okay guys, trim the edge with my pizza cutter guys. If you don't have pizza cutter, you can use knife. As you can see, rub butter on the surface. That's butter, melted butter guys. And you begin to fold your dough. If you are still watching to this time, thank you so much. God bless you all. I'll be dropping the description below. Guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share. Where are you watching me from? Drop it on the comment section. Guys, don't forget to watch this video to the end so you see how we produce this bread, this sesame bread, from the beginning to the end guys. At this point you have to cover again for like 5 minutes. I brought up the new sharp budget guys. Use it to give it that beautiful mark on the bread. You cover again for at least 5 minutes for it to have enough rest. So this is it after the 5 minutes guys. At this point we mix egg yolk with milk together to brush the dough before putting it in the oven, guys. This is our sensema seed, guys. This is the fresh sensema seed. If you don't have the fresh one, you can use the dry one, okay? See how beautiful this is. Will you give it a try, guys? Give it a try and thank me later. Ta-ra! Here we go, guys. See how beautiful this sensima bread look and how soft it is, guys. Take a look at this. Will you try this recipe and thank me later? Guys, just give it a try and see. Look how this bread is so soft. Guys, this tastes delicious. Oh my god, so beautiful. Give it a try. This is so soft, guys. Check this bread out. If you are still watching to this time, thank you so much. God bless you all. See how soft this bread is, guys. It's so soft. You can use it for tea, for coffee, for minerals. Wow, I use it for breakfast. So this is me making tea that morning to eat my sensima bread. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. Enjoy. Bye for now, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.